Okay, the question is, what do I do if my Mac is frozen? I'm working on my Apple computer and for whatever reason, it's frozen. I can't do anything. I can't move an application. I can't seem to get out of it. What do I do? So luckily, when it comes to computers, when it comes to most consumer tech today, there is more than one way to accomplish something. So I'm going to show you, for example, let's go ahead and let's open up Safari. Safari is the default browser, and let's just pop open Google. And let's say for whatever reason, Google is the one that's frozen. I can't move it. I can't click X. I can't minimize it. It's just stuck. So what do I do? So the first thing I would try is Command Q. I hold down the command and I hold down the Q, and that usually will do the job. That will usually quit the application. If for whatever reason it doesn't do that, let's try Plan B. So, all right, I'm stuck in Safari. I come over to the Apple logo in the top left corner, and I can click force quit. Now, what force quit will do is it will show me all the applications that are currently running. And if one of them is glitching, it will say Safari and then in parentheses, not running or not responsive or not working. So what I can do is I can select the one that I would like and click force quit. Yes, I want to force quit. And then boom, that should solve your problem. Very rarely will that not solve your problem. If for whatever reason that doesn't work, then I would suggest I would resort to something a little more dramatic, which is head over to your keyboard, and in the top left on most modern Macs, it's where your fingerprint sensor is going to be. It's like the power button. Even though today we don't really use the power button to turn on the Mac, you just kind of lift it open. But take your finger and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Keep your finger on it, keep pressing it down until you see the Apple logo. That's a hard reset. That's just like a refresh. I would not recommend doing that often. That is like a last ditch effort, and like there's nothing else you could do. You simply cannot use your PC. What I would also recommend is if you find yourself regularly needing to force quit apps, maybe you're using too many at one time, or maybe the computer you're working from actually can't handle your workflow. Maybe you have to upgrade your computer. Maybe it's not powerful enough. So I hopefully that answered your question. What to do if an application isn't working, what to do if your MacBook is frozen. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comments. You can also shoot me a private message to get a designated video. In the meantime, my name is Maverick, and I'm here to help.